Hello everyone, I want to welcome you again to this YouTube channel. In this video today, I am sharing with you the best crypto exchanges for buying and selling digital assets. The best crypto exchanges for you to buy and to sell your digital assets. Cryptocurrency trading is booming, and whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, choosing the right exchange can make all the difference for you. With hundreds of crypto exchanges available, it's crucial to pick the one that best suits your needs based on security, fees, supported assets, and trading options. This guide in this video will help you navigate the top cryptocurrency exchanges for buying, selling, and trading digital assets in 2025 and beyond. The number one you come to look at, which is the baba of them all, is Binance. Best overall crypto exchange. Why do you need to choose Binance? Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. By trading volume, it offers an extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, low fees, and advanced trading features. What are the key features of Binance? Number one is low trading fees, only 0.1% per trade. Discounts available when using Binance Coin, BNB. It also has huge crypto selection. It supports 350 and more cryptocurrencies. Then Binance has multiple trading options: spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, staking, and P2P. Binance also has high liquidity and security, and it ensures fast transactions and strong security features. Binance is best for all traders, beginners and experts alike. Now, the downside of Binance, or disadvantages or the demerits of Binance, is that it is restricted in some countries, including parts of the USA, and even Nigeria. P2P is not allowed. So that is that about Binance. Now, the number two exchange is Coinbase. Coinbase is best for beginners. Why do you need to choose Coinbase? Coinbase is a user-friendly exchange that is perfect for beginners who want to buy and sell cryptocurrencies quickly without dealing with complex trading tools. The key features of Coinbase is that it is easy to use, it has easy to use interface, and that is great for beginners in the crypto space. Then it also has secure and trusted FDIC insured USD balances and industry-leading security. Then on this Coinbase, you can earn free crypto, learn about crypto, and get rewarded through the Coinbase Earn program. Then Coinbase supports major cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 150 cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is best for beginners who want a secure and simple exchange. The downside or disadvantage of Coinbase is that it had higher fees compared to Binance and other platforms. Then we also have another exchange called Kraken. This Kraken is best for security and advanced traders. Why do you need to choose Kraken? Kraken is known for its strong security features for trading, low trading fees, and advanced trading options. It is a go-to platform for traders who prioritize security. The key features of Kraken is that it has low trading fees, as low as 0.16%, and it also has up to 0.26% taker fees. And this Kraken also has advanced trading. It supports margin trading, futures trading, and staking. This Kraken is top-notch. It has top-notch security, never been hacked. And this Kraken is best for security-conscious traders and experienced investors. Now, the downside or disadvantages of this Kraken is that it has smaller selection of altcoins compared to Bitcoin, compared to Binance and KuCoin. Now, let's look at number 4, which is Bybit. Bybit is best for derivatives and futures trading. Why do you need to choose Bybit? We need to choose Bybit because Bybit is one of the leading platforms for derivatives and leverage trading. Bybit is perfect for traders looking to profit from price swings using leverage. The key features of Bybit is that it has zero spot trading fees. It is ideal for frequent traders. Fast and reliable also is another feature of Bybit. So it has no downtime even in volatile markets. Bybit is best for experienced traders looking for leverage trading options. Then the downside disadvantage of Bybit is that Bybit is not available in the US. Now, number 5 exchange or platform for cryptocurrency exchanges is KuCoin. KuCoin is best for altcoin trading. Why do you need to choose KuCoin? You need to choose KuCoin because it offers one of the biggest selections of altcoins, making it a favorite for traders looking for new and upcoming crypto projects. What are the key features of this KuCoin? It has massive altcoin selection. Over 700 cryptocurrencies are available on KuCoin. Then it has low trading fees, 0.1% per trade. Then it has passive income options, offers staking, lending, and cloud mining. Now, the downside of KuCoin is that it is not regulated in some countries. Now, let's look at OKX. OKX is another one that is best for low fees and passive income. Why do you need to choose OKX? You can choose OKX, or you need to choose OKX because OKX is a low-fee trading platform with multiple ways to earn passive income on crypto holdings. The key features of OKX is that it has ultra-low fees, among the lowest in the industry. You can earn passive income. Staking, lending, decentralized finance options are on OKX. Then it has NFT and Web3 features, a growing ecosystem beyond just trading. OKX is best for traders looking to maximize profits with low fees and passive income. The downside of OKX is that it may not be beginner friendly. That means it is a bit complex. Now, how to choose the best crypto exchange for you? In order to choose the best crypto exchange, the decision to pick the right exchange depends on your trading style and goals. Here is how to decide. If you want the biggest exchange with low fees, then choose Binance. If you are a beginner looking for a simple platform, then choose Coinbase. If security is your top priority, then choose Kraken. If you want to trade derivatives and futures, then choose Bybit. If you love discovering new altcoins, then choose KuCoin. If you want the lowest trading fees and passive income, then choose OKX. The best crypto exchange for you depends on your trading needs, security concerns, and the coin preferences. No matter your choice, always follow best security practices like enabling two-factor authentication, that is 2FA, and using a hardware wallet for large holdings. Now it is your turn. Which crypto exchange do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section below. Start trading smart and stay safe in the crypto world. Subscribe to Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV for more trading tips and updates. So I'm going to come your way in the next one. As you subscribe, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and drop your comment and question right in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and also offline. This video that is popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to watch now. So go ahead and watch it. Go ahead and watch it. Click it and watch it.